Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making healthy cookies. No sugar, no dates. Apples too. Make fine paste with help of blender. Transfer to a bowl. Oats 2 cups. Peanut butter 2 tablespoon. Honey 2 tablespoon optional. Mix everything. Now transfer to baking tray. Make any shapes. Bake for 15 minutes on 170 degrees. Now it's ready. Yummy soft cookies is ready. Enjoy with tea or coffee. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video. Get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.